Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how to make a factory reset with the Sony Xperia XZ1 and XZ1 Compact. First of all, we have to go to the apps, then we have to go to the settings, then we have to go to the point system. So then we have here the point reset, tap it, and then you have the opportunity to make just a network setting reset. So it means if you have problems with the Wi-Fi, or if you have problems with the network signal, so you could try to reset, is always good for. And yeah, the full reset, the hard reset, would be the factory data reset. So tap it, then he will ask you if you're really sure if you want to remove everything from your phone. So you scroll down, and then you have the opportunity to confirm it with reset phone, and then he asks you another time if you're really sure what you're doing, because you will erase every data on your phone. So just confirm it again with erase everything. Sorry, I read it, it is turned, you know what I mean. Okay, erase everything, and then you start to make the factory reset. So the thing by the software, and maybe you can do that if you resell the phone and so on and so on. So now he is going Sony, so I think we will see Android again. And there's Android. Yeah, then it's the phone starts from the beginning. As you bought it brand new, you have to enter everything like your Google ID and your finger ID and Wi-Fi things and so on and so on. So this one will take some minutes. Don't worry about if it takes a bit longer. So give the phone a bit time, and then you can start from the beginning. Okay, it will take a bit too long for that video. So I say thank you already, and I hope I could help you with this video. And if you want, you can give me a nice comment, or maybe thumbs up is always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.